Alright, so that's pretty much our little fender stand that we made to hold fenders. I kind of just throw some of these fenders up on like a square and then make some brackets so we can hold the fenders, so we're not trying to put them on a fender stand. Those things just kind of a pain in the ass. As long as you have something that you can move around and they're up to where you can, even when you paint them and do your body work and stuff on it, it just makes it a lot easier. So this is kind of what we've been coming up with to help hold parts. You know, we could still get in here and spray pretty easily if we needed to, and then we could do our body work, and it's actually like really pretty firm. I still need to tighten up a couple bolts. So I do like a bolt through here, and then run a nut with the washer, and then when I tighten this bolt here, it'll push that in, and I can actually adjust it a little bit if I needed to. But it's enough to where we can get paint in this edge and primer. You know, obviously that's kind of in the way, but if we needed to, I could cut from here to here, but I probably won't. Just quick, simple, easy. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like those little tricks and tips, just give this a like and a subscribe, and hopefully we can bring some more of this, some more of these cool ideas. Remember, get out there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.